Hello viewers and welcome back to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change your account password in Twitter.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Go to the Twitter app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, tap on Account. And here you can see the option Password. Tap on this. Enter your current password. Now enter the new password here. Confirm your new password again. After that, tap on Update Password. And you can see the notification, your password has been updated successfully. So that is how you can change your account password in Twitter. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.